Recently, we have been to Kabayel Warqa branch to buy some plants. Kabayel is a 1 to 30 dirhams shop. Even though the plants occupy only a small corner in the shop, which is near to the entrance, the collection which I found there was really nice. And the price also I felt reasonable considering the size of the plant. Since it's a 1 to 30 AED shop, all the plants are priced below 30. Here I'll show you some of their plants with their price. These are different varieties of Echeveria. I bought this plant couple of times and all the time I failed in growing this. This is cactus, and this plant I don't understand the name of the plant from what it is mentioned in its price tag. This is the plant I purchased from there. I found it really beautiful. But the name of the plant was not very clear for me as I didn't understand from the price tag. So I used this plant app named Picture This to identify the plant. I downloaded this from the Play Store and I'm using the free version of this app. Hence, there are certain features which are unavailable, and also the number of plants I can identify per day is also limited. On clicking a picture of your plant with this app, you will get a number of suggestions, and on comparing with your plant, you can identify yours. Here I have got the suggestion as corn plant, and the botanical name here is given as Dracaena fragrans, and here number of pictures are also given. This one looks identical to mine. And on doing some Google research, I got this name as well, Dracaena messengiana, which looked similar to the name which appeared in my price tag. So I finalized the name of the plant as Dracaena messengiana. So I hope this app Picture This will be helpful for you like it was for me. Some more plants I have purchased from the nurseries in Warsan. There are a lot of nurseries in Warsan, Dubai, which is where I mostly do the plant shopping from. Dubai Municpality nursery is also in Warsan, from where you can get a lot of indoor plants. Recently, I've been there and purchased many plants, each costing 3 AED only. This is Calathea, which I bought from another nursery in Warsan. It is commonly called as prayer plant because during the day it opens its leaves outward and during the night it closes inward. I've also done a nursery tour video from Warsan. You can watch that by clicking the iCard above or link in the description box down below. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and tap the bell icon to receive notifications of all my future videos.